Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, you ever heard of American pickers picking the backwoods of America? Have you ever heard a part-time pick with Matt on YouTube? Have you ever heard of garage flips? Or now he called it shed flips with Lonnie. Or have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Yeah, but let me tell you something. We pick in the hood too. Yeah. I just want to tell y'all, we pick in the hood too. They pick, we pick in the hood. Yeah. But anyway, this what's sold video. Yeah, I'm back at work, y'all. Yeah, I sold like 13 things yesterday. And I left some of them at home because I packed some of them. But anyway, I'm going to go over what I sold anyway. Yeah, first thing I sold some water filters. It's 3 in a box. I sold them for $46. I paid $2. I paid anywhere between $1 and $2 for filters at thrift stores. I sold this for $46. I paid $1 for it. Or $2, whatever it was. All I know is I made some money. Yeah, I don't have that with me. Okay. I got that packed away already, ready to ship. I bought some, y'all know where my favorite hiding place is when I go shop. Yeah, I don't really want to say it, but Walmart. Go on the clearance clearance aisle, and you look for stuff. Well, I sold like 4 things from Walmart today that I got for less than in between $1 and $3. Okay, I just sold a pack of baseball cards. I think it was 2019 baseball cards. I don't know what they for. I don't even play baseball cards no more. I got. Remember I told you about all them bins I got with stuff in it? I got boxes and boxes of baseball cards. I haven't looked through that stuff in 10 years. But maybe I need to go through it. Maybe some of them worth some money. But anyway, I sold these brand new in a pack. A little pack, I think it had 20 cards in them and stuff like that. I paid $3 for them. I sold that for $28.70. I got 4 of them. All I sold was 1. Yeah, I bought all 4 of them at the same time. I sold another Guitar Hero. Stratus, it's got the Stratus, what you call it, guitar. I don't know. Les Paul Stratus. I don't know what the hell. All I know is I paid $3 for it. Usually for guitars, I paid between $2 and $3 for them. And I had them for a while. They were just hanging. You watch some of my videos, they hanging behind me on a rack. I decided to list them, and this one sold for $46.50. If I would have had the doggo to go to it, it would have sold for well over $100. The doggo by itself would have bought that over to $100. You can look on eBay. Only reason I go on eBay and buy the doggo for it, because doggos are selling between $36 and $45, $46. Ain't no way I'm paying that, and just to get, I would have got my money back, but I would have made like $10 more off of it, because I just sold the guitar for $45. If I bought a doggo for $35 or $40, that's $85. So it just gave me like $15 or something like that. Anyway, so I sold that for $45. The guy tried to lowball me on it. What the hell? That was a yawn. I'm old. But the guy tried to lowball me on it. I know what I had. He sent me a thing for, I wanted $45. He sent me something for, I want to say it was $30 at first. So I emailed him back. I said, look, man. I said, I want $45 for this. I said, if I had the doggo for it. No, he said $35 because $30 because you don't have the doggo. And I said, if I'd had the doggo, this would be well over $100 right here. And so you getting a deal for $45. Anyway, that's what I emailed him back and said. He bought it for $45. I wasn't budging at all. I just keep it. I had it for a long time anyway. Might as well just keep it. But anyway, I sold another one of them dollar lipsticks. This time I had two on there. I mean, no, I didn't. This one sold for $5.50. It was this one sold for $5.50. I got another one that had two. I put two together and I got $13 for it. But this one sold for $5.50. The lipstick I got from Walmart for $1. Remember I bought all that lipstick, about 100 lipsticks for $1. Then I sold a Dreamcast game. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire game. It's the Dreamcast. You guys know I've been selling video games for 20, 30 years. I've been having video games. So I got the Dreamcast video game I just sold. That sold for $10.50 with shipping. Then I sold the two lipsticks I told you about, Maybelline. I sold two together. It came with the $13.70. So I've been selling the hell out of the lipstick. I don't know what you women do out there, but I don't need you to put no lipstick on. I love your lips anyway. You know what I'm saying? I don't need no lipstick, but it look good on you, you know. But I sell about 2 or 3 lipsticks a week. So pretty soon I'm gonna be out. I need more. Okay. Then I sold another water filter that I had for a while. And you remember I told you that I was listening like crazy, trying to put stuff on YouTube, and I was going through all my stuff and I was listing stuff. That's when I found this water filter in one of my containers. Usually I put water filters on there as soon as I get them, but these sold for $19.60 plus shipping. In fact, I got the filters with me. I'm sorry. I paid $1 a piece for these. The tag's still on one of them. See, still on one of them. That's Goodwill tag. Anyway, I put both of these together on eBay, and they sold for $19. Some stuff I did bring with me, y'all. The other stuff I packed away. So one of you's gonna be bringing it if it's ready to mail off. These sold for $19.50. Okay, then I sold. I'm sorry, y'all. These 3 Pampers right here. These Pamper kits. One time I went to a thrift store and they had these little Pamper kits. It's just one Pamper in there with some wipes. So I bought all of them, you know, and I put them three together, and I think I got like probably about 8 lots of 3s. But I had these on there for $13. Somebody sent me an offer for $9, and I took the offer. So I sold these for $9 plus shipping. I probably got about 8 more sets on there. Sorry I'm not ready, y'all, but whatever. I just made this video. Oh, okay, here go the Dreamcast game. Right there. Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? Dreamcast. That's the Dreamcast game. That sold for $10.50. $10.50. Okay. Let me see. American Standard filters. Oh, I sold some just some like little cleaning things. They make these toilets, and you put this bottle in there that lets the blue fluid out into your system to clean your toilet and stuff. You know, they used to have them little tablets. I got some tablets on my eBay page too. But this is like a bottle. You turn it upside down and you sit it inside with a tap at. With a top at. 1 second. With a, you know, the top, you pull out, look inside the toilet, look at the water in there. You put it right there. Anyway, I had 4 of them on eBay for, I think I had $12.50 a piece for each one of them. This guy bought one, I think it was $13. This guy bought one, then he turned around and bought the other 3. So they go with American Standard toilets though, so really expensive toilet, I don't know. I never seen one of these before that's made for the cleaner. Anyway, that's why I bought this stuff. I paid $1 a piece for them, and I had them for $13 a piece on eBay. This guy just bought all of them. So I got to mail off 4 of those off. And they think they downstairs with my, I got a storage closet in my basement. I think they down in there. I got to find them. That's the only reason I didn't bring one of them, to show you how it look. Let me see what else I got. I saw the PS2 game, used game, The Suffering. I sold this for $23, I think. I think I sold this for $23. It's used though. If it was brand new, it would have been over $50. Brand new. I sold a printer. I go to this one thrift store to get my printers. Anyway, I looked at this printer. It was brand new, but it wasn't in a box.
Trade, you got a copy?
Brand new.
Yeah, go ahead.
It was like in a plastic container. So I looked at it. They wanted $40 for it. So anyway, I looked at the date on it, and it was like 2 weeks. Just sitting there for 2 weeks. So I offered them $20. They took it, and I put it on eBay. I looked on while I was there. I looked on Amazon. I looked on eBay. On Amazon, they had one for $500 something. I was like, damn. But on eBay, it was selling for like $290 something. I put mine on there since it didn't have a box. I put open box, new but open boxes. Tape and everything was still on the lid. Tape, everything was sealed, except for it wasn't in the box. Just they had the foam around it. So anyway, since it wasn't in the box, I put $178 for it on eBay. And I sold that for $178. But I was getting it out of the stores and I dropped it. So I emailed the guy and told him I dropped it and I wasn't comfortable on selling it because I don't know if anything messed up. I told him I was going to tape. I was going to test it. But I was walking up the steps. It fell down probably about three or four or five steps. So I don't feel comfortable. I don't want to send something out that's broke. See, I could have just tested it and sent it to him like it was. But I don't do stuff like that. If he send it back $170, and then I get a bad mark on eBay because I sold something that was defective, I'm not doing that. So I emailed him back and told him I sent him his money back because I dropped it. So I'm emailing back, sending him his money back, but I sold that. Let me see what else. Oh, I sold this game right here for $23.50. Remember I told y'all in one of my previous videos, when I see these handheld games, I buy them. This right here is rare. This is a bridge. The uppity people play bridge. In the hood, we play spades. We play, I used to love this game called Speed. Speed was a cold game. We play spades and stuff in the hood. We don't play no damn bridge. Bridge for uppity people, like where we live in Ladue, where uppity people live at. Town and country. That's what this is for. Rich people play bridge. Anyway, $23 for this. I paid $1 for it. Usually I pay $1 for these handheld games. Anyway, y'all, I think that's it. That's all I bought with me was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. All the rest of that stuff is packed away. And like I said, that printer is broke. So actually I sold 15 things, but I'm just gonna send 14 because I broke a couple of things. But I want to tell y'all that I'm glad y'all staying safe out there. I put a mask on out here when I'm talking to people, but when I'm by myself, like right now, I don't wear a mask. But you guys keep wearing your mask and stay safe, and listen to the experts. You know what I'm saying? Don't listen to that riff-raff. Don't listen to the people out there talking, this protesting, talking about they want to get back to work. Going back to work. I'm back to work. Going back to work. Maybe this is not essential what I'm doing because these auto parts right here these trailers out there where I'm at, there's auto parts on these trailers. Wiring harnesses and stuff for cars. So the factory, the dealers not, the car builders are not open. So, we just sitting here. They pull up, and these guys that's in receiving, just unloading the truck, putting the trucks in another trailer, and they gonna put it in storage. We got all kind of trailers. We got the parking lot over here full of trailers. But I'm back at work because they said come back to work. You know, so that's why I'm back here. So they paying me, so I'm just sitting here. Well, I'm really not sitting there. I've been moving trailers and stuff like that, but I'm not just sitting here. But anyway, you guys stay safe out there and don't listen to the riffraff. Listen to the professionals that's telling you about this disease and stay safe. Worry about yourself. Forget what everybody else saying. Take care of yourself. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, first of all, my name is Kevin from St. Louis. I've been picking I've been picking for a long time, since my kids was born. I started really going to thrift stores and stuff. So it's my oldest will be 43 this year. So I've been picking for a long time. I just been saving stuff. I really haven't been selling it until I found out about eBay in 2002.
You're checking again.
When I found out about eBay in 2002, I already had video games, everything. I used to sell every Christmas. I used to put all the video games on eBay. But now I sell almost full time, except for my jobs. I got 2 different jobs. So when I get time, I lift stuff on eBay, which is at night when I get home. So I'm Kevin from St. Louis. You know, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like, give it a thumbs down. Put a comment in. Tell me what I'm doing wrong or right. You know, and subscribe. Give me that thumbs up, though. You know what I'm saying? I just want to tell y'all, all these people picking, you know what I'm saying? But we pick in the hood, too. Peace. Yeah.